Sushi is a Japanese dish that typically consists of vinegared rice topped with seafood or other ingredients. While sushi has become popular globally, its origins date back to ancient Japan. In this video, we'll take a journey through the history of sushi, from its humble beginnings as a way to preserve fish to its rise as a beloved and celebrated cuisine. What a glow up, am I right? We'll explore the cultural significance of sushi in Japanese society and learn about the different types of sushi that exist today. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of sushi. Sushi has a long and fascinating history, which began outside of Japan. Who knew? The earliest form of sushi can be traced back to Southeast Asia, where people would ferment fish and rice together as a means of preservation. This technique was then brought to Japan in the 8th century by Buddhist monks, who used it as a way to preserve fish during the long winters. Over time, the fermentation process was refined, and the rice was seasoned with vinegar to create a tangy flavor. Not to be confused with this tang.
Mornings have taken off with tang. What?
Or these tangs. This technique eventually gave rise to two distinct forms of sushi, narezushi and hayazushi. Now, don't get that tattooed on your body, or do if you're a big sushi fan, I guess. Narezushi was the original form of sushi, which involved packing fish and rice together and letting it ferment for several months. Hayazushi, on the other hand, was a faster method of sushi making, where the fish was marinated in vinegar and then placed on top of seasoned rice. I bet people are excited about a faster method because several months is a long time to wait for sushi. As sushi became more popular in Japan, it began to evolve and take on different forms, much like Beyonce. In the 17th century, edo-style sushi, also known as Nigiri sushi, was invented. Overall, the early history of sushi is a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of people in finding ways to preserve food and create delicious meals. Bless you, early sushi chefs. Bless you. A+. Now let's get to the good stuff, the different types of sushi.
Yeah, baby!
First up, we have Nigiri sushi, which is made up of a small ball of rice with a slice of raw fish or seafood on top. This style of sushi became popular in the bustling city of Edo, now Tokyo, where it was sold as a quick and portable snack. Nigiri sushi is typically eaten with a bit of soy sauce and wasabi. Next, we have Maki sushi, which is made by rolling sushi rice and ingredients in a sheet of seaweed called nori. Maki sushi comes in many different varieties, such as the popular California roll, which typically includes crab, avocado, and cucumber. It's available everywhere from gas stations, grocery stores, and one of my favorite stores, Costco. Another type of sushi is tamaki sushi, which is sometimes called a hand roll. Tamaki sushi is made by wrapping rice and ingredients in a cone-shaped piece of nori. This type of sushi is often eaten as a snack or appetizer. Shirashi sushi is a type of sushi that consists of a bowl of sushi rice with various toppings such as raw fish, egg, and vegetables, often served as a colorful and visually appealing dish. Finally, we have oshi sushi, which is a type of sushi that is pressed into a rectangular shape using a wooden mold. Oshi sushi, these are hard to say. Oshi sushi typically includes layers of sushi rice, fish, or seafood, and sometimes vegetables. Sushi's popularity is a testament to its versatility and ability to adapt to different cultures and tastes, again, not unlike Beyonce. While traditional sushi features raw fish and vinegared rice, it has undergone several transformations in recent years. One notable trend is fusion sushi, which combines traditional Japanese sushi with other ingredients and flavors from around the world. This innovative take on sushi has opened up endless possibilities for creativity and experimentation. One example of fusion sushi is the spicy tuna roll, which isn't a tuna fish that got a little sassy.
Spicy!
The spicy tuna roll combines spicy mayonnaise and diced tuna, providing a flavorful twist on the traditional nigiri sushi. Another example is the crunchy roll, which is filled with tempura battered shrimp or vegetables, adding a crispy texture to the otherwise soft and chewy sushi roll. Regional variations of sushi also exist, reflecting the local ingredients and culinary traditions of different countries and regions. In Brazil, for instance, sushi is often served with cream cheese and mango, while in Korea, sushi is commonly made with cooked ingredients and served with a variety of sauces and toppings. Despite these variations, the fundamental elements of sushi remain the same: vinegared rice and fresh, high-quality ingredients. It is this simplicity that has made sushi an iconic dish around the world, and a go-to for anyone seeking a healthy and flavorful meal. In addition to its delicious taste, sushi also has several health benefits. The combination of rice and fresh seafood provides a source of protein and essential fatty acids, while also being low in calories and fat. It's got it all, baby. However, it is important to note that certain types of sushi may pose a risk due to the potential for foodborne illness. Sorry to be a downer, but it is crucial to consume sushi from reputable sources and to be aware of the risks associated with raw seafood. Sushi has become a beloved and iconic dish around the world, a testament to its versatility and adaptability to different cultures and tastes. Sushi making is not only about assembling ingredients, but also about mastering various techniques that elevate the dish to an art form. The rice used in sushi is one of the key components and should be perfectly cooked and seasoned with a blend of vinegar, sugar, and salt. The other ingredients used in sushi, such as fish, vegetables, and seaweed, should be of the highest quality to ensure the dish's optimal flavor and texture. Techniques for preparing and shaping sushi vary depending on the type of sushi being made. For example, nigiri sushi is typically formed by hand and should have a perfectly shaped ball of rice topped with fresh fish or other ingredients. Fun fact, it also helps if your hands are cold. The presentation of sushi is just as important as the taste and should be visually appealing. Garnishing with fresh herbs, microgreens, or edible flowers can make the dish look even more impressive. Sushi making is not an easy task and requires years of practice to perfect. However, the end result is a beautiful and delicious culinary masterpiece. Fellow sushi artists, feel free to call yourself Jackson Pollock. Get it? Pollock, like the fish? Have you ever wondered if sushi is a healthy food choice? Let's take a look at some of the health benefits of sushi. Sushi can be really good for you, actually, especially if you choose the right ingredients. As mentioned earlier, the fish you use, such as salmon and tuna, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Sushi also often includes ingredients such as seaweed, which is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including iodine, calcium, and iron. Additionally, sushi rolls are often filled with vegetables like cucumbers, carrots, and avocados, which are high in fiber and provide important vitamins and minerals. It's important to keep in mind, however, that not all sushi is created equal. Sushi rolls that are fried or topped with sauces can be high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium. It's also important to be cautious of raw fish, especially for pregnant women and those with weakened immune systems, as they may be more susceptible to types of infections. In summary, sushi can be a healthy food choice when made with the right ingredients and consumed in moderation. It's important to be mindful of all the types of sushi you're consuming and to balance your diet with a variety of other nutrient-rich foods. With that said, sushi has become an iconic part of popular culture, with its influence felt far beyond the world of cuisine. In movies and TV shows, sushi is often used to convey a sense of sophistication and luxury. It has become a symbol of fine dining and exotic cuisine and is often associated with high-end restaurants and upscale events. Sushi has been featured in numerous films, including the classic 1980s comedy The Breakfast Club.
What's that?
Sushi.
Sushi?
And the James Bond franchise, where it is often used as a plot device to set the scene and convey the mood of the scene. Sushi has also become a favorite of celebrities, with many actors, musicians, and athletes regularly dining at some of the world's most famous sushi restaurants. For example, tennis superstar Serena Williams is known to be a big fan of sushi, often posting photos of her sushi meals on social media. Other celebrities who have professed their love for sushi include actors George Clooney and Scarlett Johansson, Kanye West, and chef and TV personality Anthony Bourdain. In addition to its influence in media and entertainment, sushi has also had an impact on fashion and design. The clean lines and minimalistic aesthetic of sushi have inspired designers in the fashion and furniture industries, with sushi-inspired pieces popping up in runway shows and furniture collections. For example, fashion designer Jeremy Scott created a sushi-themed collection for Moschino, featuring brightly colored sushi rolls on dresses and accessories. Overall, sushi's influence on pop culture is a testament to its enduring popularity and appeal. Whether enjoyed as a simple and healthy meal or used as a symbol of sophistication and luxury, sushi has become a beloved and iconic part of modern life. Almost as beloved and iconic as cat meats. The history of sushi is a fascinating journey that spans thousands of years and several continents. From its origins as a simple means of preserving fish in Southeast Asia to its evolution as an art form in Japan, sushi has become a beloved and essential part of global cuisine, and also a funny name for cats. Sushi has been able to maintain its popularity and relevance due to its adaptability and its ability to incorporate various ingredients and flavors. With the introduction of sushi to the United States and Europe, fusion sushi became popular, featuring new and creative flavor combinations. Hello, Sushi-rito. Sushi has also made its mark in pop culture, with portrayals in movies, television, and even fashion. Many celebrities have expressed their love for sushi, and its influence can be seen in various aspects of design. If you've never tried sushi before, we encourage you to be adventurous and give it a try. Don't have sushi FOMO. With its rich history, delicious taste, and health benefits, sushi is a culinary experience not to be missed. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the history and world of sushi. Seriously, does anyone want to invest in creating a Sushi World theme park with me? We're gonna make a fortune, I promise. If you're craving some sushi after watching this video, I know I am, we have more mouth-watering content. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And don't forget to share your favorite sushi rolls in the comments below and join us next time on Food History. Thanks for watching.